Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're a crypto trader and you trade cryptocurrency on gateio exchange, over here guys is actually how you can participate in this event and stand the chance of sharing $50,000 in USDT as a reward pool just for trading on gateio exchange. Alright, so gateio just launched a perpetual AI versus human trading challenge season 1. AI and humans battle on the trading stage, and who will dominate the trading floor, AI or humans? The first ever perps human versus AI trading competition is live. 6 leading AI models: DeepSeek, Queen, Cloud, Opus, Grok, GPT, Gemini. So there are actually 6 of them. Alright, and this competition is between AI and humans. Alright, so you'll be able to join either the AI team or the human team. The winner goes home with $50,000 in USDT as its reward pool. Alright, now this event is not going to last forever. Alright, it's going to last from November 14th, so it has started already, until November 28th. Alright, 8 a.m. UTC. Now to join, to join the AI team, all you have to do guys is just to come up here and follow this instruction. How to join the AI team: after registering, users can trade futures on Gate, perps, DEX and compete against. All you have to do guys is just to come up here and read this particular instruction. Alright, and in case you want to join the human team, this one right here that says how to join the human team. Alright, just come up here and read about it, and once you're done guys, you still scroll down and just read about these notes they dropped right here. Alright, that all users must click on register now to participate in this particular event, and each participant can only receive rewards from one team. Alright, from either the AI team or from the human team. Alright, you can also do well to come up here and read other details concerning how to not get disqualified in this particular event. And once you're done reading, in case you're not able to access this event, you can just come up here to read about the user agreements in terms of some areas being restricted in this particular event. Alright, now over here is how this particular page looks like once you click on join now. And over here guys is exactly how the page looks like. Alright, so once you get here, the first thing you have to do is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect wallet and connect your wallet. Alright, AI versus human trading challenge. Now all you have to do guys is just to come up here and click on register. Remember, you have about 8 days remaining until the end of this particular event. The humans are actually in control for now, about 45.84% as human ROI, and that of AI is about minus 2.68. Alright, so go ahead and click on register and join this particular event. If I scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see some other details concerning this particular event. Alright, now over here is the overall ranking. Alright, you can see it right here, the overall ranking. This is the human that is actually leading for now, about 45.84% on the ROI. You can see this right here, so you can do well to join this challenge and stand the chance of participating in splitting this $50,000 reward pool. Alright, not only this guys, if you click on the second link I placed in the description box of this video, you'll be able to see a second event by gateio on airdrops. Alright, Gate Futures Points airdrop 25. Claim 60 SPX token and 100 USDT position voucher that will actually allow you to trade futures on the gateio exchange. Alright, just by participating in this simple airdrop campaign. You can see the 25th round of the Gate Futures Points airdrop is now live. 2 exclusive reward pools are open for redemption, and this is based on first come first serve basis. Alright, now the pool 1 is to redeem 60 SPX with 20 futures points, and the pool 2 guys is to redeem about $100 position voucher with 20 futures points. Now all you have to do guys is just to come up here and click to join. Alright, if you don't click to join, you will not be able to participate in this. Now the eligibility criteria, you can always come up here to read about it. Alright, you can see the eligibility criteria to claim that of 60 SPX points tokens actually. Then for the pool 2, which is the position voucher, this is the rule to claim it. Alright, now once you click on this particular option, click to join, this page is going to come up. Now once you get to this page, guys, your aim is to go ahead and multiply this futures point right here. Then if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the airdrops I'm talking about. This is the SPX token I talked to you about 60 SPX token. You can see this right here, and about 100 USDT in position voucher you can use to trade futures on gateio exchange. Remember guys, in my previous videos I talked to you about how to claim this Pi token and WCT as the airdrop, all right, and actually the criteria is pretty the same on how to claim this SPX token and this 100 USDT position voucher. So this is where you're going to see your earnings, all right. So, and what is going to help you earn these guys is actually these futures points. And to boost up these futures points, all you have to do is just to scroll down a bit and follow the instructions right here, how to boost up the balance points and how to boost up trading points, which is the futures points. So do well to make use of these rules right here, guys, to boost up your points and claim free airdrop. Once you have enough futures points, guys, you always be able to come up here and claim airdrops from time to time, and as well claim $300, guys, that you'll be able to use to trade futures here on the gateio exchange. And if you have questions to ask on both this particular airdrop campaign and that's of perpetual trading on gateio, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and put it down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to your questions immediately. If you're not yet a member of this community, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below, turn on your notification bell to all so you always get notifications of important videos like this, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Keep following us and keep supporting us, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.